Howdy everyone, SD Mount Man. Working on another enclosed shelter, or not totally enclosed. I guess this isn't totally enclosed. Just another. Uh, this one takes two hiking trekking sticks, and I've got two of the tie out. I should have brought a third one out because you can use that in the middle. But I wanted to show something something I got going on. I'm kind of working on it as soon as I can get back to it. But just a basically a lightweight shelter type thing. I've been thinking about, as far as just simple, you're out for a little walk or just, out mushroom hunting or something type thing. And I got the Arcturus poncho, and I need to work on some shelters. I've done one or two different ways, but I found these stakes. I just wanted to show these tie down stakes. Um, 6 of them for $3. Made in America, good old USA. They do have a hook. It looks on the front like they got two hooks, but they don't. They just got one hook. But I thought about, I don't know, see how they work. I'll try out that shelter system with my poncho. My thought was they'd weigh, not much of anything. But that and a poncho and, maybe a ridge line at the, what else? And you throw that in a haversack, you're good to go for shelter if something pops up, you get caught out in the rain or whatever type thing. Anyway, let's get to this here. So I've already got the back staked out just in 3 spots, and 2 corners stretched out and one in the middle. And so this one here, what you do is you take your front corner, like the last one, we took it to the middle. This one we're going to take it to the second one. All right, like I said, I already get the guy lines tied out. I'll take that to the second one. This one's pretty cool. Really seems like a lot more room. So many things. That's my only suggestion. If when they make these loops on stuff, if they just give them a little twist, it leaves them open for you to do stuff with them. You can easier to get. I mean, even I've seen tow ropes where if they do that, it'd be a lot easier to use. So then, go in there and put it in the middle, about 2/3 of the way or something like that. You get out of here, Rooster. I gotta watch him because he's trying to get me before. Yeah. He's just up by the house. Now he's got to come out here and pester me. So there you go. The only other thing is I've had the other string. You can pull that out tight to the front. You could still have your little fire right here to cook out front, whatever. Huffing and puffing. It's humid here today. Hold on a second, I'll take you inside. All right, so here we are. And hold on with this. I mean, it's pretty roomy, really. You could, if I had that pole back there farther, it'd spread things out a little bit different. But yeah, and stake down the sides. And so you can pull this back. But anyway, there's another one. Like I said, I got now I got the ones with the ridge line to do, and then I want to do the plow point against the tree. So anyway, that's about it for me. Said I'll try and play around with them stakes and the poncho a little bit, see what I come up with there. I got to get out here another video I want to do. Where'd it go? Yeah, dandelions. I gotta get some of that stuff picked up here real quick before it goes to seed and whatnot. And look forward to that video there. Plus, like I said, all the other, I got some reviews type stuff to do too. So that's it for me. SD Mountain Man out.